Jai Jagannath, and a very good evening to all of you. At the onset itself, let me apologize that I am a bit under the weather, so my voice will not be very clear, but still I'll try to strain a bit. आज मो पाई गर्वर दिन कि मो ओडीएम स्कूल विषय अधिक जान नी किंतु आज मु धन्यवाद देवी मीनकेतन सार को कि सी मत ये निमंत्रित कले और आपण को संस्कार ये केवल गोटे स्कूल नुहे ये अनुष्ठान संस्कार मनीष तैयारी करिवार जो अनुष्ठान गोटे झलक मु आज देखि पारिछि संपूर्ण देखि आसिक परे. It was really a great opportunity for me to see something as ecstatic, as grand as this. I take the opportunity of also saying namaskar to the guest of honor, Colonel Mohanty, to Madam Induvati ji, and to all other dignitaries, especially the grandparents today, Oja, Ai, Jeje Bapa, Jeje Ma, the parents, and of course, for whom the school is, the students. The one who in fact worked out miracle today were the students. The small things which make changes in our lives. The theme of Spectra is, legends never die. You know why legends never die? Legends never die because legends never live by a lie. Never live by a L-I-E lie. They always live by what their heart tells them to do. They always live by their dream. They always live by their conviction. They don't live by convention. Most of us, if you would see, 99% of us live by convention. जीवन रे कौन करिबा को अछि बड़बा को अछि तापरे कौन करिबा को अछि चाकरी करिबा को अछि तापरे कौन करिबा को अछि बाहावा को अछि तापरे कौन करिबा को अछि छुआ पिला हेबे तांकर चिंता करिबा को अछि तापरे कौन करिबा को अछि तांकर छुआ पिला चिंता करिबा को अछि. This is how the world ends. This is a conventional life. You know what is sansara. Sansara means punah punah sara iti sansara. The summary of which is same again and again. The timetable of which is same again and again is samsara. Punah punah sara iti samsara. The same thing will happen every day. The same thing will happen every evening. And you will pass this life, you will enter the other life, and the same things will continue to happen. So naturally we don't become legends. We are part of the samsara. What Adi Shankaracharya said, Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani, jathare shayanam, punarapi janani, jathare shayanam, iha samsara bahudutsara, iha samsara bahudutsara, कृपया पारे त्वाहि मुरारी, कृपया पारे त्वाहि मुरारी, भज गोविंदम गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते. पुनरपि जननम पुनरपि मरणम. Again living, again dying. Punarapi janani jathare shayanam. Again sleeping in the laps of our mother. Today is the day for mother and father. So again sleeping in the laps of the same mother and father. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jathare shayanam. Iha samsara bahudutsara. This whole samsara is so fathomless that, hey Murari, you are the only one who can hold my finger and who can make me cross this fathomless samsara, bhaja govindam, oh mind, only remember Govinda, then you will cross the bhavasagara of samsara. So how would we remember Govinda? Only saying Govinda, Govinda, of course that will help. But one has to take lessons from the life of Govinda, from Krishna's life, as to how one should become a legend. Krishna, just imagine, Krishna was born to a set of parents. He was such an asset that people were trying to murder him in the womb. तांको गर्भरे केंती गर्भपात कर दिया जीव, तांको गर्भरे केंती हत्या कर दिया जीव, ताहार चेष्टा मध्य कंस करुथिला। दुर्भूत कंस चेष्टा करुथिला कृष्ण का जन्म केंती हबन। आपण चिंता करंतु, that was the life of Krishna, who was to be killed in the womb, but still Krishna survived. In the middle of the night, Krishna had to be crossed through the Yamuna, which was overflowing, by his biological father, and he had to be left somewhere in a village to a set of parents who did not belong to Krishna, but they raised Krishna. Krishna did not complain. While he was a toddler, from Putana to Bakasura, all the asuras came to kill Krishna, but no one could succeed in killing Krishna. Krishna vanquished them all. Krishna finished them all. He had that swabhimana, he had that energy. He never complained that, look mother, look father, people are trying to kill me. People are speaking against me. People are going after me, as we do. We keep on complaining. We are not happy. They're complaining. We complain to our teachers. We are complaining to our parents. See, amar chutti tani dela. Aji school empty hela. Aji sir mate gaali kale. Aji bhala lagilani. Mu homework karnathili mate mada podichi. Aji kali mada poduni. Amra poduthila. Aji kali empty heichi. So we keep on complaining, but Krishna never complained. And then Krishna had to fight with Jarasandha. Had to run away from there to Dwarka, establish a whole city which finally went down under the ocean. His whole family vanished. Bansa nipata hela. Why? Because he tried to establish dharma. So he got the curse of Gandhari, which he took smilingly, that your bansa would be over one day in front of your eyes. But Krishna smiled, did not complain. This is a legend. He never lived in the past or the future. He lived in the present. He smiled through. That is the reason as to why Vallabhacharya wrote a beautiful set for him, the Madhurashtakam. This is why legends are legends. You have to be Madhura. Madhurashtakam. Adharam Madhuram Nayanam Madhuram Hasitam Madhuram Chaitam Madhuram Nayanam Madhuram Gopa Madhura Gavo Madhura Bansi Madhura Madhuradhipater Akhilam Madhuram Madhuradhipater Akhilam Madhuram. Despite all these problems, his adharam, his lips were always smiling. They were so madhur. Despite all these problems, everyone trying to kill him, destroy him, his eyes were so beautiful, enchanting, that anyone who looked into the eyes of Krishna, Nayanam Madhuram, he used to be drowned in those eyes. Despite all the odds that Krishna had, all his Sakha and Gopas and Gopis and Bansi, Gaura, Gai and everything, Valabala, all of them were Madhura, because Krishna emanates Madhurta, because he exudes sweetness. Sweetness was all around him. So legends have to exude sweetness. You know what is the color of Krishna that we see in pictures? What is the color of Rama that we see in pictures? The color of Rama, the color of Krishna, the color of Shiva we were seeing on the screen. It is all blue. Were they really blue? Were they born sideways? No. They had enough hemoglobin in their blood, they were not blue. But why are they depicted as blue beings? Why the color is Neela Varna? Why is Krishna Neela? Why is Rama Neela? Why is Vishnu Neela? Why is Shiva Neela? Because if you would look up to the sky, if you would look up to the ocean, wherever there is infinity, the color which you see as an optical illusion is blue. Tomorrow morning, just for a fraction of a second, get up and look at the sky. The sky is not blue, but it is an optical illusion. The Maya has made it blue. The ocean, Mahadadhi, Mahodadhi ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ, ମହୋଦଧି ନୀଳବର୍ଣ୍ଣରେ ସୁସଜ୍ଜିତ। କୌଣସି ନୀଳବର୍ଣ୍ଣ ନା ସେ ନୀଳବର୍ଣ୍ଣ ନୁହେଁ, ଯେହେତୁ ସିଏ ଅନନ୍ତ, ହରି ଅନନ୍ତ, ହରି କଥା ଅନନ୍ତ, ଯେହେତୁ ମହୋଦଧି ଅନନ୍ତ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣ ହେଉଛି ଅନନ୍ତ। ସିଏ ନୀଳ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣ ନୁହେଁ, ସିଏ ଅନନ୍ତ ପାଇଁ ନୀଳ ଦେଖାଯାଆନ୍ତି। কৃষ্ণ অনন্ত, তাঙ্কর বিচার অনন্ত, সেইথিপাই সে নীল। রাম অনন্ত, রামঙ্কর বিচার অনন্ত, সেইথিপাই সে নীল। শিব অনন্ত, শিবঙ্ক বিচার কেবল ମୋ ନାତି ମୋ ପୋତା ନୁହେଁ। I am the grandfather to only the 2 kids who study in ODM. No, I am the parent of everyone, all the 5,000. My compassion is for everyone. That is where the infinite comes into being. That is where the divine and the Neela Varna comes into being. So, if you want to be a legend, have sweetness. If you want to be a legend, have infinity in your vichardhara. Have a huge vichardhara. And if you want to be a legend, always stand like Krishna. How does Krishna stand? Krishna stands with one leg crossed over the other leg. Is it not? So Krishna stands with one leg crossed over the other leg. What does it mean? It implies that one leg of a human being should be on the dharadham, on the ground, on the reality. And the other leg should always be in the mood of dance. Should always be in ecstasy. If both the legs are in ecstasy, you are bound to fall. If both the legs are on ground, you are never going to become a legend. If one ground is grounded with the reality, you know where you are born, you know what are your limitations, you know who your parents are, you know what you really are, what your talents are, and you know what you don't have. And the other leg, despite all these limitations, are ready to dance. Then you become Krishna. You become the legend. If you are never ready to risk yourself, if you are never ready to dance, then remember you are just an ordinary person, not Krishna. Why does Krishna wear a Morpakha? Morpakha sar Garban Mali. Why is he a Morpakha sir? Garban Mali. Morpakha. Look at the Morpakha. Look at the peacock's feather. ମୟୂର ପଙ୍ଖକୁ ଦେଖିବେ, ସବୁ ରଙ୍ଗ ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ବ୍ରହ୍ମାଣ୍ଡରେ ଯେତିକି ରଙ୍ଗ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ହଲେଇବେ, ସବୁ ରଙ୍ଗ ଦେଖାଯିବ। All the colors of the Brahmanda are present in the Mayura Pakha, in the peacock's feather. So the moment Krishna saw this, he told, this is my life. All the colors should adorn my head. My mind should have all the colors of life. Enjoyment, dancing, singing, music, war, studies, love, everything. All the colors of life should be enjoyed. Should be there on my head. That is why he wears the Morpakha. And Gadabar Mali. Why? Because he was from a poor family. Born to a rich family. Taken care of by a simple family. So he told, so what? So what? The princess may be having diamonds and jewels studded necklaces. I will pick up the simple flowers from Vana, from jungle, from the forest. I will pick up simple flowers and I will make a fragrant necklace out of it. I will wear that. It will be Nitanaya. It would be new every day. It will give me effervescence and it will make me appear beautiful. So whatever was available He used it to the best and he became Banamali. Just imagine, Yamuna became Yamuna because Krishna stayed by Yamuna. The Banamala became Banamala because Krishna wore it. Who would have remembered Morpakha? Morpakha became Morpakha because Krishna adored it. So remember, you become a legend only when you live the life of Krishna, and Odeon becomes Odeon when you become legend. Remember, your grandparents become your grandparents when you become the legend. So you define your life in a way that everything and everyone associated with you become a legend. And I will end by saying a small thing. When I was in school, Lata Mangeshkar, whom I adore a lot, she had turned 75. Most of you must have seen that great Gana. When she turned 75, there was a huge orchestra, live orchestra, which was held in Mumbai, where Lata Mangeshkar sang for approximately 4 hours non-stop. It's all available in the YouTube. I was watching it as a kid. My parents were sitting and we were all enjoying it. Then we did not have channels, we only had Doordarshan News. And after every song, we saw Lata Mangeshkar bending 90 degrees to say Namaste. That day my mother told me, Sambit, you should learn this from Lata Mangeshkar. If ever you get to a stage, there can be no one in India who can be bigger than Lata Mangeshkar. But if she can bend down 90 degrees to say Namaste, if ever you become anything in your life, whenever you get into a stage, always bend 90 degrees, not a degree less, but bend 90 degrees to say Namaskar to the people who love you, to the people who bless you. And I wish this is inculcated by all of us. Wishing you all the best. May Mahaprabhu Jagannath bless you all. May you all become legends. And remember, one of my classmates in medicine told me, Sambit भैया, नॉर्मल आदमी का जीवन ही सबसे बढ़िया जीवन होता है. नौकरी करके, बच्चे संभाल करके, 2 वक्त का खाना कमा करके, सच्चाई से, अच्छे से 2 बार रिटायर हो जाना और बच्चे आदमी बन जाए तो जानना जीवन धन्य हो गया, हम लेजेंड बन गए हैं. Remember, everyone need not become Krishna. You are Krishna. Shivoham, you are Shiva. You are legends because leading a normal life with all those enormous problems all around you is no small feat. So I bow down to you. I say Namaste to you. Jai Jagannath. May Lord bless you. Sorry for taking so much of your time. Thank you.